So I think one of the things, or perhaps the main thing that differentiates science perhaps from other ways of knowing is that it's totally data-driven. Every conclusion has to be made rigorously based on looking at data and saying, you know, it does fit with the theory, it doesn't fit with the theory, etc. Not to say, though, that the scientific process is constrained simply to that kind of endeavor. Something which is very important, especially to discovery science, is what's generally referred to as intuition. Okay, and some scientists are more intuitive than others. And intuition, you know, goes to the heart of the whole issue of creativity and discovery, etc. So scientists will sometimes have intuitions which they can't quite articulate in terms of well, why were you thinking that? And I don't look at those myself as any kind of divine inspiration, although perhaps that's what they are. But I mean, to me, intuition is just some process we don't fully understand. It's some integrative process going on in your brain where all sorts of information that you have is combined with all your life experiences and everything, and sort of like there are wheels spinning in there, and all of a sudden, you know, 3 cherries come up, and you don't quite understand it. Okay, well, I think that process is probably the same throughout the arts, you know, it's science. I don't think creativity is creativity. But then, in the scientific way of knowing, once those 3 cherries have come up with an hypothesis, now a different phase ensues where you have to rigorously design experiments to either refute your hypothesis or confirm it. And I think in some regards that's different than certain other forms of knowing that people may have.